a new dance we wrote. The dance is called Center of My World to the same name song by Chris Young. The dance has 64 counts and is a circle partner dance. And as a big surprise, there's an easy restart for everybody. Let's go on with the steps. The first section is oh, by the way, we both do opposite footwork. If I do a step on the right, she will do a step on the left. Otherwise, I will let you know. Let's start with the first section. A rock recover with the inside foot. Guys right, ladies left. Shuffle play, rock back, recover and shuffle forward. Section 1. Rock, recover first, shuffle back, rock and shuffle forward. The section 2, the guys is running forward, walk, walk, shuffle and walk, walk, shuffle. And the lady will do a full turn to the right on the first 2 steps, then shuffle forward and then a 2-step full turn to the left and shuffle forward. Next section 2. Turn around for the lady and turn to the left for the lady again. Section 3 is a chest box quarter turn. Keep your hands. Let's do this first piece, this piece first, like cross, back, side. After the turn, change your hand and do a little weave to the reverse line of dance with a cross, side, behind, followed by a chassé to end, chassé side. The next section, I believe is section 4, is a rock recover and a shuffle towards each other, but the guys shuffling behind the lady will shuffle behind the lady to the outside and the lady will shuffle to the inside with a quarter turn to the left, the guys with a quarter turn to the right, into the wrap position facing the reverse line of dance. The last 4 counts will be a reverse rocking shake. So let's do this section. Rock, recover, shuffle into wrap, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover. Next section, section 5, we will release guys right and ladies left, and we will do both do a shuffle half turn, the inside turn, for the guys to the right, for the ladies to the left, followed by a full turn, shuffle on 2 steps. Then we have to release the other hand as well. After the turn, we get back into this prominent position and end with a shuffle and a rock recover. So let's do this section 5. Shuffle, turn and full turn, shuffle inside and rock recover. Section 6 is a coaster step followed by a step turn and a shuffle and a walk walk for the guys, and for the ladies a step turn to the left, a shuffle and a full turn right again. So 7, 8, go step, step, turn, shuffle and a full turn. Section 7. On this section we will change our sides again. So the guys are moving behind the lady back to the inside, and the lady will turn under the right arm of the guy to the outside, back to the outside. We start this section with a shuffle forward, shuffle right for the guys, shuffle left for the ladies. Then we do this half turn on 2 steps, the guys behind the lady to the inside, the ladies turning to the outside. Then the guys will shuffle forward and walk, walk, and the ladies will keep on turning and walk back and do another half turn to the right after that. So let's see that we can show you. For section 7. Shuffle forward and change the side and shuffle and walk, turn. I think we can do that better. let's do it together. We start with the inside foot on the shuffle. 7, 8. Shuffle forward, change the side. Ladies turn and back and turn. The last section is a shuffle for the guys, a walk, and another shuffle, and another walk. And for the ladies will do a full turn. The first half turn to the right on 2 steps, and the second half turn on a shuffle. The first half turn on a shuffle, and the second half turn on 2 steps. And then we both shuffle back, we both go back in the sweetheart and shuffle forward for the last shuffle and the last walk. Should look like that. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3, back in sweetheart, walk. That's the whole dance. Let's do it with the counts, hopefully without any little mistake. 7, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. By the way, this easy restart, in round 3, after 16 counts, just restart the dance. That would look like that. 7, 8. Rock, play, and shuffle, back, rock and shuffle, and walk and shuffle, and walk and shuffle, and restart. Rock, pick up, and shuffle, back. See how easy that is? Have fun. See you on the floor, somewhere, sometimes. Bye-bye. Let's do this first, these 4 counts first. 7, 8, and walk. Oh, sorry, my fault. We start with a shuffle, of course. 7, 8.